Hey, you're at Painted by. Today we're going to paint this watercolor bunny. So cute. But before we get started, if you could please subscribe to the channel so that I can continue making these tutorials for you. Okay, here is a list of everything I used for today's project. Jumping in, I'm grabbing a pencil and I'm sketching the shoulders of the bunny right now. I'm going to do the head, just this big old round circle. Don't worry about being perfect. That's not what this is about. This is about having fun and creating something cute. Now the ears are going to be tall. Big old round bumps up here. And then we'll do the little bumps on the inside for the pink. One here and one over here. Perfect. Okay, grabbing my brown, I'm going to get light brown, lots of water on my brush, and I'm going to start painting the bunny. Now, sometimes I'm getting more paint on my brush, but sometimes I'm just going to grab plain water. This is going to add dimension to the painting so everything's not the same color. I'm grabbing a darker brown on my brush, a lot more paint on my brush, and I'm dropping this darker color just in certain spots of the face, around the top of the head and then under the chin area, just to show some shadow. And pick some of that pigment up that leaked in. Okay, now I'm going to work on the ears. Actually, I'm going to paint that in. We'll pick up that pigment in a minute and then we'll be able to paint it pink. Okay, I'm going to completely wash off my brush, dry it all the way, and then while the ears are still wet, I'm picking up this brown pigment just in the middle part to make it lighter so we can put the pink paint on top. Now we need to dry it, so you can step away or you can grab a thick piece of paper and dry it. Come back when it's all dry, and then we can work on some of the details. Getting a light pink right here, just red with lots of water, and I'm going to do the inner part of the ears. Grabbing thicker color on my brush and dropping it in just the bottom portion of the ears. Show a little bit more shadow effect. I have a macaron pen I'm going to use. You can use a thin marker or a pen if you want, and I'm going to do the details. We're going to do the little nose of the bunny. And this is just an oval shape. Small little. You guys can do big or little. My bunny is just going to have little tiny delicate features. And then oval standing up for the eyes. Maybe a little eyebrows. Okay, and then the line coming down from the nose. We'll outline this pink. Then I'm going to do the detail for the fur around the bunny. These are just little dash marks, some bigger, some little, some close together, some spread out. You don't have to make it everywhere, just to show the impression that this is a cute, fuzzy, furry bunny. I'll speed up this process, but if you need to pause to take more time, please do. I'm loving how this bunny is turning out. How is yours? I hope it looks a little bit different so that it has your style. Now, nobody would know who these were painted by if we didn't sign our name. I'm going to sign mine on the side here. My first name, Amy. I love it. So cute. Thanks for painting with me today, guys.